Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Hey, in this video, we are going to discuss how we can install PWA on a Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. For that, simply open Google Chrome browser and visit the website for which you want to create a PWA. Now, if the website supports PWA version, on the address bar, you will get install button. Simply click on it to install the PWA version. Also, you can simply click on three-dot icon, then click on cast, save and share, and here you will find the option to install the PWA version of website. However, if you don't get these options, that means website does not have a PWA version. So this is one of the method. There is also another easier method to install PWA on your Chromebook. For that, first of all, you have to update your Chromebook to the latest version. To update your Chromebook, simply click on App Launcher icon, open Settings. Now click on About Chrome OS and here check for latest version of Chrome OS update. After that, click on App Launcher icon and here look for Apps and Games application. Simply open it. It is a app store for your Chromebook and here you will find all the optimized apps and games for your device. Simply search for the application you want to install. Say for example, I want to install Apple Music. I'll simply search for Apple Music and from the search result, select it. Now here click on this web icon to install the PWA version. So click on Install from Web button and click on Install. This will install the PWA. Similarly, you can install other application. Also, if you want, you can click on Apps option and here you will find list of apps that are optimized for your Chromebook. Simply select the application and click on Install from Web button to install PWA version. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.